The Gaya Street night food market in Kota Kinabalu is a vibrant and bustling hub of culinary delights. With its array of food stalls offering a variety of local delicacies, it is a haven for food enthusiasts. From mouth-watering satay to flavorful noodles, this market caters to all taste buds. The lively atmosphere, coupled with the aroma of sizzling dishes, creates an unforgettable experience for visitors. Whether you are a tourist or a local, the night food market is a must-visit destination for an authentic taste of Sabah's cuisine.